And the NIA has also been roped into the investigation. The bank accounts of Siraj and Samir, the two accused, is being checked. Sources say that in this Instagram group where the two accused were present, where they discussed these ISIS plans to bomb the city of Hyderabad, 6 people were part of this chat, and they were youngsters from Karnataka as well as from Maharashtra, which is extremely concerning because now authorities will have to ensure that they nab the others as well who are part of this planning. Apurva Jayachandran is joining us with more details on this very concerning news that's come in, Apurva. And if it wasn't for really the alert police in Telangana and Andhra, this would have been essentially a terror attack in the city of Hyderabad.
Well, definitely, Akshita, because this has definitely not only raised several eyebrows, but also at what has been happening, especially after Operation Sindoor. We've seen there has been a high alert in and across several states, by the union government that keep a check on radicalized elements and whatnot. And in these kind of searches that had taken place is what was one of the searches that took place at Siraj from Vijayanagaram and Samir from Hyderabad, Secunderabad's houses as well. What we are getting to learn from sources is that Siraj and Samir were part of a 6-member group that including people not only from Hyderabad and Andhra Pradesh but also in and across other states as well, and that all of them had been using Instagram as a means of communication. We are also getting to learn is that Siraj had been often traveling to Hyderabad along with the others who were mentioned in that said Instagram group, where they had all met quite often in Hyderabad and had discussed as well. In fact, Siraj had also gone ahead and attended group 1, group 2 examinations there in Hyderabad. And one of the excuses that had been used to also meet with Samir as well. We're getting to learn from higher placed officials that they had been in touch with some sort of a handler there from Saudi Arabia, from where they had also learned to make explosive devices, IED devices in particular, and that Siraj had also attempted to make trial and test runs at one specific location here in Andhra Pradesh.
So that's
as well.
something that right now the investigation will continue over on the locations that they had planned to target, but also about the others who are a part of this Instagram group. Thanks very much, Apurva, for joining us with those details.